So Mr. Beast recently gave this advice for the upcoming YouTube creators.
All you need to do is make 100 videos and improve something every time. The average person like us, who don't have these exceptional personalities and, backgrounds in filmmaking, just make 100 videos, improve something each time, and then talk to me on your 101st video.
So my goal this year is to create around 80 videos, not 100 because I already missed the first 2 months of 2023, but 80 videos will still be a challenge for me, and this means I have to create at least 8 videos every month, which means 2 videos every week. As a non-YouTube creator or not seasoned creator, it will be really a challenge for me because I'm not used to creating so much content or in that big volume, especially long form content on YouTube, but I will definitely do my best to create 80 videos on this channel. I actually agree with Mr. Beast that you have to create around 100 videos to even understand what type of content or what type of style you actually want to make videos, because I have made like hundreds of short form videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. That's how I got my 160,000 subscribers, and I can tell you that only when you start creating, that's when you actually understand if you even want to be a video creator. It's not just like taking a camera and just making videos. It's more about writing down ideas, planning out. The preparation is like 90 or 80% of all the work, because actual filming and editing is like 10 to 20%, and most people don't even understand this. That's why I would recommend create at least 10 videos or 20 videos to understand how it feels like, and yeah, you will understand how actually hard it is to even speak in front of camera. Right now I have around 2,000 watch hours on my YouTube and 8 million views on my YouTube Shorts content. And many people are wondering how I get so few views with 160,000 followers or subscribers. This is because I created YouTube Shorts for the last year. Like, I created 1 to 5 videos every day. Few of those videos actually got more than 1 million views, and that's how I got my 160,000 followers. But I won't focus on the long form content. That's what I enjoy more. Yeah, I still have to reach my 2,000 watch hours to get the monetization aspect. If I can create 80 videos this year, that will be no problem for me. I just have to create new habits and write down ideas, do my research, so I can give as much value as I can daily. And I have understood that short form videos are not for me because it's more about entertaining, and I decided that I will focus my energy on long form videos, not TikToks or short form videos, as I have been doing for the last year. And yeah, another YouTube goal for me this year is to start earning at least $2,000 from AdSense alone on YouTube. And if I can create 80 videos this year, it will be quite easy in my opinion. I just have to give actual value, which I will do on my channel. And I think it will be easy if I can create a new habit of generating ideas, reading and doing my research, so I can actually give value and create long form videos. It will be interesting to rewind this video back in 2024 when I'm done, and if I kept my promise of creating 80 videos this year. So that's my main goal this year, just be a full-time YouTuber. And before I end this video, I want to share this screenshot that I took. I saw this few days ago and it really hit me hard, because all these platforms actually are free to use. You don't have to pay any tax or anything. You can just create and put everything you want on these platforms, which is insane. And yeah, subscribe if you want to follow my 80 video journey this year, and thanks for watching.